In this video, I'll be showing you how to set screen lock on Samsung phone. It's an easy tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.
But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So what you want to do firstly is go over to your settings application, scroll down until you find lock screen and AOD, and then you're going to select your screen lock type. So once you're in, at this point, you're going to be able to choose which, lock screen method you want. So right now I have PIN, but you can have password, which is the highest security level, or you can have a pattern or a PIN, which are medium, or you can have a swipe, which is no security. And then there's also none as well, which by default is what you might be on or what you selected originally. And then of course you'd have face recognition if the phone supports it too. And if you want to add a fingerprint, you could also do that as well if you prefer biometric scanning. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that. There is nothing else to it. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all the other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you didn't know about yet.